Hello everyone, my name is Lacey and I am your English teacher for today. Welcome to the Eigo Love YouTube channel. Today's video is about baking vocabulary. Baking is one of my hobbies, so I wanted to share 11 common vocabulary words. After this video, you should be able to read most of an English recipe, or if you have the chance, you can attend an English baking class. First, I wanted to start off with the word bake. This means to cook food in an oven with dry heat. Some countries don't typically use ovens, including Japan, so this may be a new concept to you. Another word you will encounter in almost every recipe is batter. Batter. That's right. It is a mixture of ingredients that is very liquid. You are typically able to pour a batter. Once you are no longer able to pour it, we refer to it as dough. Dough. Nice. For example, cookie dough. Here are some example sentences with these words. Next, mix the vanilla into the batter. Next, mix the vanilla into the batter. And number 2, roll your dough into small balls. Roll your dough into small balls. Great job. Combine is another vocab word that is used in most baking recipes. It means to stir ingredients together. Here is an example. Combine the flour, baking soda, sugar, and cinnamon in a bowl. Combine the flour, baking soda, sugar, and cinnamon in a bowl. Good job. Next, we have another word for mixing ingredients. Cream. Cream. This is a little different than the word combine though. To cream is typically used in reference to butter and sugar. You have to mix them until they create a smooth, light texture. This is typically done with a hand mixer or a stand mixer. Here's our example sentence. Next, cream the butter and the sugar together. Next, cream the butter and the sugar together. Great job. Next, we have the word whisk. Whisk can be a noun or a verb. When it is a noun, it refers to this tool. Whisk. When it is a verb, it refers to mixing with this tool. Here's our example. Whisk your eggs. Whisk your eggs. The last word we will cover in terms of mixing is fold. To fold means to combine two ingredients or substances together. It is important to be delicate. This is different than mixing because it is usually done with a spatula like this. This is the typical motion. So this is mixing and this is folding. Our example sentence is, next, fold your liquid mixture into the dry ingredients. Next, fold your liquid mixture into the dry ingredients. If you are baking cakes or muffins, you are most likely going to encounter the word grease. This means to cover the inside of your baking tray with something like butter, oil, or shortening. Here's our example. Grease the cake pan. Grease the cake pan. Great. Two important words for baking bread are knead and proof. Knead refers to combining dough and folding it several times. This helps develop bread dough. This is done by hand or by stand mixer with a hook attachment. Proofing, on the other hand, refers to placing your dough in a warm environment and allowing the bread to rise. Okay, so our examples are knead until smooth. Knead until smooth. And number 2, let the dough proof for 1 to 2 hours. Let the dough proof for 1 to 2 hours. Great. And the last word we are going to cover today is softened. Softened refers to something being brought to room temperature so that it is soft. This makes ingredients easier to work with. It's typically used in reference to butter. Here's our example. Cream softened butter and sugar together. Cream softened butter and sugar together. Awesome job. Let's do one last review of today's new words. Bake. Bake. Batter. Batter. Dough. Dough. Combine. Combine. Cream. Cream. Whisk. Whisk. Fold. Fold. Grease. Grease. Knead. Knead. Proof. Proof. Softened. Softened. Good job. While there are tons of different baking terms, I feel like these are some of the most commonly used ones. I hope this is useful. Let me know if you want more baking videos or words in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Eigo Love channel for more English videos. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Until next time.